Yo, what's up everybody? So I'm making a video today because I bought some reflectors here for my m235i. Forgot my keys inside, so I'm going to grab those real quick. Alright, where'd I got them? I wonder if I'll ever take this tag off from the dealership. Woo, hold up, double take. Look at them black mirror caps. I did a fine job on them. Don't at me. Alright, so first thing I'm doing is I'm going to turn my wheel all the way to, I guess, the right. I'll do the left side first. That way I can... Jeez. Screw it. I'm starting the car. Man, that cold start too. Man, this thing's coming along. Alright. Turn the wheel all the way to the right for now. I just did that real quick. So now I can get up into the fender well a little bit easier. There's 3, I believe, 8mm bolts there. You're going to want to take out to pull this fender liner back. And there's clips inside of the stock reflectors. So you have to pinch those, pop them out, pop the new ones in. Pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just going to walk you guys through it real quick. I also want to show you guys some of these shirts that I got made. That you guys can hit me up on Instagram if you would like to purchase one. Selling them for $20. If you need it shipped or something like that, then like $3 to $5 depending on where you're located in the United States. Here, I'll take the shirt outside. They are 50-50 cotton and polyester blend, so they're pretty lightweight but durable for the summer, But I'll show you guys the graphic on the front here. It's just this little skeleton dude. I thought it was pretty cool because he's like all broken, but he's just throwing up like the okay, like, yo, I'm good. And then on the back, your parents are gonna love me for this. Hold on. On the back, it says, "Good kids do bad things." So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much that. Just to show it to you a little closer, tell you a little more about it, hit me up on Instagram at RyanScar, RyanScar 23 to purchase one of these. Enough of me trying to sell you stuff. Let me grab, I think there's a socket set in the Audi here. Got black top all on it from work. All right, cool. And I'm only missing one socket. Pretty impressive. And maybe an adapter, but besides the point. I'm gonna get something little to sit on as well because I don't feel like sitting on the ground. Maybe the old Silvio wheels. If anybody wants these Silvio wheels, they're 4-lug. I think they're 4x114. Just hit me up for them. You can literally have them for like $20. I don't know if anybody would be interested. 2 tires are decent. Other 2 tires could use replaced, but if you're just looking for something to roll around on, or some drift beaters, something like that, $20. Cool. Now my hand's black. Let me see if I can just set the camera up real quick. That way you guys can see what I'm doing here. All right, don't mind my chicken legs, but there we go. Ratchet. And what did I say, 8mm, boom. Little extendo guy right here. It keeps like focusing on the bright ass sun. Like I said, just undo these 3 little screws there. Actually, plot twist, it's not an 8mm. Oh, that's a 9. I lied, it probably is an 8mm. It's an 8mm. Try not to lose them. Bad things will happen if you lose them. Cool. Alright, so I got the fender liner pulled back. You can see those little gray clips right there. And I don't know where the other one's at. Down there. Sweet. So you want to pinch those together and then pop the reflector out towards you. Alright, that was pretty easy. Only took like maybe a minute, if that. I definitely recommend popping the top one out first and then trying to pop the bottom one out. It's kind of a pain to get to because there's like a plastic piece in the way on the bumper, but it's not that bad. If you kind of pry on the top too, you can pop it out pretty simply. So I got the new reflectors here. Wow, I just so happened to grab the right side by just reaching on my hoodie. I bought these on eBay for like $20. I saw a lot of people do the paint match ones. I really wasn't a fan of those. You still see the trim line around the paint match reflector. I just thought it looked weird because it's like, it looks like it's not there, but when you see that line, it's kind of just like, what's that for? So I'm just gonna do the clear reflector because I don't mind little like chrome accents. Like I think it'll complement the headlights well. And also I'm in the search for some clear taillights. So if anybody knows where I can get clear taillights for an F22, please let me know in the comment section. That would be greatly appreciated. But now I'm just gonna pop this guy in. I'm gonna do this with 2 hands real quick. There you have it, that's all set. Give you a little look from back here. I think that looks pretty sweet. Like I said, I don't mind small chrome accents. You know, you got the chrome in the headlight, chrome on the turn signal. I'm not a huge fan of like tinning headlights and taillights and stuff, so I think that looks pretty good. A lot better than having the orange there. It was so out of place. And it still serves its purpose from the factory, which, you know, I wasn't really that concerned about that. But I think it looks way better than the orange. Now imagine it with some clear tails on the blue. I think that would look fire. I just need to figure out what I want to do for the red reflectors on the bumper. Same thing, I've seen people paint match them, but I just don't like how you can still see the lines and stuff. So I've seen people paint match them the same color as the diffuser, and I think that looks a little bit better because it kind of hides the crease between the reflector and the diffuser. Maybe I'll do that in the future, but I'm not going to pay $100 for reflectors right now because I don't really care that much. That looks so much better in my opinion. Like I haven't done this side yet, but you look at the orange over there, all ugly and out of place. And then you look at the clear and it's just like, wow, that belongs. I will leave a link in the description below to where you guys can buy these reflectors as well. Pretty short video for today, guys, but hopefully if you were looking how to do this, it helped you out, because I was trying to find videos on it and I was looking at the 3 Series and I saw that they were like double-sided tape to the back, and I thought that's what I had to do at first until I really started playing with it. I have suspension coming in for this actually. I just ordered it today. So subscribe to my channel, find out, am I going static or am I buying my first set of bags? That's interesting stuff right there. I know you guys want to keep up with that. So like I said, like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video.